It's Selena with Look We're Learning, and I am here to begin what I hope will be a long-running series of American Sign Language lessons. I've been signing since I was probably about 12 when I got started, and I love it. It's a beautiful language. Of course, the primary purpose is to communicate with deaf people. It's also proven useful for communicating with infants, and we are teaching it to our 4 children. I'm going to begin today with a very quick run through of the alphabet and numbers, and hopefully we'll follow after this with other lessons about greetings and basic conversation, that kind of thing. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, so if we're going to begin with letters, we're going to go with A. From the side, in front. Your finger should be flat against your palm like that. B. Kind of looks like a B. C. D. Now, a lot of people get D and F backwards. A good way to look at it is that, if you can see a D, then you're making it correctly. Pointer finger should be up. E. E is similar to A. You just have your fingers on top of your thumb instead of to the side. Okay, so that's E. Here is F. So the difference between D and F is not just which fingers are up, but the position of the fingers. D, the pointer is up and the other fingers are down. F, the other fingers are up, but they're also spread out like this. Think of like the OK sign. F. G. Unlike the other letters, G is going to turn this way, not like this, to the side. H. I, like a little I. Keep your finger in place and just draw a J to make J. K. And this is K because if you turn your hand this way, you can kind of see a K, right? L. L. M. 3 humps like a cursive M. So of course this is going to be N then. 2 humps. O. P. P, if you reverse this, you'll see kind of like a P. But really, it's just an upside down K. P. Q. Same hand shape as G, but facing downward. R. S. Now here's A. S is a fist. T. So we have M, N, and then when it's just one, it's a T. U. V. Well, this is V, so this is W. X. Y. And Z. Okay, so that's A through Z. Now we're also going to do a brief review of numbers. Numbers in sign language are very similar to the typical numbers you use when you're just showing numbers on your hands, except for a few exceptions. And then once you get from to 6 and up, they are very different. Okay, so we're going to start 0, which is the same as O. So context is going to tell you whether you're looking at a 0 or the letter O. I have O friends. Well, I don't mean the letter O, I mean 0. See? Okay. 1, 2, 3. This is not 3 in sign language. This is 3. 4, 5. Okay. Now we're going to change up quite a bit. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 3 because this is 6. That's why this is not 3 in sign language. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now for numbers 1 through 15, 11 through 15, excuse me, you're going to turn your hand this way. So instead of facing out, your hands are going to face back this way. 11, you flick the pointer up twice. 12, 13, 14, thumb is underneath. 14, 15, thumb is out. Okay, now we're going to turn back to front, and we're going to do 16 through 19. I'm going to show you 2 ways. You can do 16, where you just wiggle the pinky. 17, where you wiggle the ring finger. 18, where you wiggle the middle finger. 19, where you wiggle the pointer. Those are fine. The only reason I don't do them that way, and some deaf don't do them that way, is because, especially if you're signing quickly, it can be easy to miss that, and then it just looks like you're doing 6, 7, 8, 9, which can be confusing. So you can also do 16 through 19 like this: 10, 6, 16, 10, 7, 17, 10, 8, 18, 10, 9, 19. Okay, which is similar to Spanish. You would say 10 and 6, 10 and 7. That's basically what you're signing. Okay, on to 20. 20. And what you are signing is a short way of saying 2, 0, 20. 21. 2, 1, 2, 1. Yes, that's not 2, but that's how they sound it. 22. 23, 2, 3, 23. 24. 25. You might also see 2, 5, and that's fine. And then after that, all you do is you count up using the first number and the second number. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30. And then on like you were before, 31, 31, 32, 32, so on and so forth. Once you get to 100, you're going to use a C to represent 100, because that is the Roman numeral for 100 is a C. Okay, so 1C is 100. 2C is 200. You might see this. That's fine. 2C. It's a short version of 2C, 200, 300, 400, or 3C, 4C, 5C. Both are fine. And okay, on to thousands. 1,000. 1,000. See that? 1,000, 6,000, 10,000. Okay, so this is 1,000. You go up one for million. Million. 1 million. 10 million. 50 million. Okay, everything over a million you fingerspell. So this would be billion, trillion, quadrillion. And if you are ever in a situation where you need to say more than that, I don't know what to tell you. Just keep spelling, I guess, until you get the proper place. Okay, so that's letters A through Z and numbers. And I look forward to seeing you back for another lesson. We'll talk about basic greetings. Thanks for watching.